Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into a driving school lesson about roundabouts, specifically focusing on the Lakeside Doncaster area. So, buckle up and let's get started. Roundabouts are a crucial part of driving, and they can be found all over the UK, including in Lakeside Doncaster. These circular intersections are designed to improve traffic flow and reduce congestion, but they can also be a bit tricky to navigate, especially if you're new to driving. Now let's talk about the Lakeside Doncaster area. This roundabouts are a bit different from others, as it has a large island in the middle, which can make it a bit more challenging to navigate. The key here is to be aware of your surroundings and to approach the roundabout slowly and cautiously. Now, roundabouts can be a bit tricky, especially when you encounter this particular area. But don't worry, we're here to help you out. So, let's say you're driving down a road and you come across a roundabout. You might think, great, I've got this. But hold on, there's something you need to know. The most important peculiarity of this area is that before or after each roundabout, lanes may appear or disappear. That's right, they can just vanish or pop up out of nowhere. Now you might be thinking, how is that even possible? Well, let me explain. You see, in this area, there's a roundabout every 300 meters or so and with parking bays on the side. And because of this, the lanes can change or disappear. It's like a magical, ever-changing road. But don't worry, you're not alone in this. Even the locals who have lived here for years can get confused by this. In fact, I've heard stories of people getting lost in this area, even though they've been driving here for decades. It's like a driving mystery that no one can quite figure out. So what's the solution? Well, the best advice I can give you is to slow down and pay attention to the road signs. They'll help you navigate this unique area and keep you safe on the road. And remember, the key is to slow down before roundabout. Driving is all about being aware of your surroundings and following the rules of the road. So, take your time, stay focused, and enjoy the ride. Remember, when you approach a roundabout, be sure that you use MSPSL routine. You'll need to give way to traffic already on the roundabout. This means that you should be aware of your surroundings and look out for any vehicles that might be approaching from the right. If there are no vehicles on the roundabout, you can proceed. Once you're on the roundabout, it's important to stay in the correct lane. The Lakeside Doncaster roundabouts have 2 lanes, so make sure you're in the correct one. The left lane is for vehicles turning left, and the right lane is for vehicles turning right. If you're continuing straight ahead, you can stay in either lane, but be sure that you will exit into the correct lane. When you're approaching the exit, make sure to signal your intention to leave. This will help other drivers know what you're planning to do. And remember, make sure you're in the correct lane before you signal. And that's it for today's driving lesson, folks. I hope you found this information helpful and that it will make your next drive through this area a little less confusing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more driving tips and tricks. Until next time, safe driving, everyone.